Hi guys, I'm back with a new project today. As you know, I'm not just a crochet addict, I'm also a huge yarn lover. So I recently got myself this cute little gadget, an iCord knitting machine. I've seen people create amazing wire art with yarn and I've always wanted to try it myself. Let's unbox the machine and give it a go. I'm going to try making my name with it. This is the Caydo Electronic iCord knitting machine. I actually reached out to the brand and got a special discount code just for you. You can find the link and 15% off code in the description below. There is also an instruction booklet and a QR code you can scan to access video tutorial on YouTube. It even comes with a skein of yarn. The machine is pretty easy to get used to, so I won't go into too much detail here. I'm using the yarn that came with the machine. Since my channel name is quite long, I'm guessing I will end up using the whole skein. Wow, this turned out to be a super long iCord. I think I might even crochet something with it next time. Next step, finding a good font. I searched for fonts that work well for wire art and fell in love with Pacifico. It is available on Google Fonts. Just download and install it. I typed out my name in Word and adjusted it to the largest size that fits on an A4 page. Then I printed it out. I also added a few small options just in case my first one turns out to be too big, but honestly they all look kind of small. It should still work fine. For this, I'm using 2mm aluminum craft wire. To make threading easier, I'm applying a bit of hot glue to blunt the end of the wire. This helps it slide through the iCord smoothly. I'm securing one end of the yarn by threading it through all 4 loops. You can trim the excess yarn here. I was too excited and didn't have scissors nearby, so I just jumped into bending the cord right away. It's really not hard at all. This was my very first try and I think it turns out pretty good. You should definitely try this at least once, especially now that electronic iCord machines are a thing with a discount too. Don't forget to check out the link and the discount code in the description below. I'm already full of ideas. Birthday decorations, party size, holiday crafts, so many possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment below. And of course, subscribe for more fun crochet and yarn craft tutorial. I'll be back soon.